Right now, let's look into the Kindle's features. I'm having this Kindle's is 10 generations. To switch on this Kindle over here, there's a button at the bottom over here. Just click on it. Then wait for the screen that you see the swipe to unlock Kindle. You just swipe. Then we unlock. So this is the first page you're going to see. So with this, all these layout are all called collections, and inside each collections have several books or even file inside it. Okay, the supported formats for Kindles over here is AZW, text file, PDF, MOBI, or even documents or JPEG also can. So this is through computer transfer, or you can go through the email transfer by sending emails to Amazon. Okay, right now we'll look into these settings over here. So with these settings, you'll see these airplane modes. So this airplane modes, it will disconnect those wireless access. So this is in Wi-Fi, so it can allows you to continue read books when you're in the airplanes. Okay, Bluetooth connections. So this one you can connect through your Bluetooth device to listen to the audiobook. In this Kindle 10 generations, there's no audio jack, but it supports to save audio file. So from here, you only can connect through your Bluetooth device. Next is sync your Kindle. So once transfer any formats to this device or even emails, you have to sync your Kindle in order to see the books that you already transfer. So right now you can see this brightness. So this one have an inbuilt backlights over here. So from here you can reduce until none, which is no backlight. So in these situations, when you're in the dark room, you won't see anything. But once you increase the brightness, then you can read in the dark. Now we go for the all settings over here. This is all your accounts, household, family members, all these are basically all the details and Wi-Fi you have connected when you do the setup. So let's look at the device options. So this device options, you can set it or understand what's your information, passwords, time, restart, reset, or even advanced options. These are more details about your device. So once you're in here, you want to move back, you can go back to this navigation menu, click on the back, then click on this reading option to see what's the features it offers. Then from here it says refresh the display with every page turns. So this page refresh, you will some kind of like turn it black and then become visible when you want to click each page. So here it says vocabulary builders. So this is you can highlight the words itself and then you go and search what does the words mean. So here's a language over here. You can choose your language, keyboards, dictionaries, or even Chinese sort order by any Chinese language. Now we look into the accessibility. So you can click on this wide view screen reader to screen like to have provide spoken feedbacks when you touch items on the screen using voice view, but this is only available when connected to Bluetooth because there's no speakers for this device. So parental control. So there's a restriction for Amazon Kids and some restrictions. So this is under all settings. If you want to go and browse through other options of books, you can go to Goodreads. Okay, here will some selections of the books that you have. Okay, or even want to purchase a new books, you can click onto the store and we go to the Amazon store, so you can buy it from here. Okay, from here you also can choose to go to Audible store by clicking the three dots over here, Audible store. Then we come to these sections, then all these are in Audible. So there's few options like Audible, audiobooks, reads and listen, and wish list. So if you want to go back, you can just click go back over here, but you go to the previous page. But if you want to go to the main page, you have to click on the home and it will view a selection of your books that already input inside this Kindle. So here right now, just give you an example. If you have already input transfer the books inside this Kindle, you can see these 3 dots over here. Click on it. Then you can click on add to collections, which is the folders that you see in the first page, and then you can select on transfer to where. Then have a look on the collection itself, like for this one, the first one, business. When I click on the collection, and here are the list of it. So here are some of the books. Okay, right now have a look when what you can do when you're reading books. So from here, let me go to this one of my books, Rich Dad Poor Dad, over here. So you can view here right now, you're reading the books. If you want to go to the next page, you tap on the right side of this device, and you go to the next page. And if you want to go to the previous page, you just click on the left side over here. Okay, but from here, you also can change the font size of it. So from here, you have to tap on the top edge of the device. Then you can click on this font settings. Then it will tell you some of the theme standards: low, visions, compact, and large. This will tell you how does the arrangement is going to be like. Give you a big comparison with these large settings. All the font size will increase dramatically. Okay, how about compact? Then will reduce. Besides that, you also can change the font size. So from here, you will see the sizes over here is already 3. You can reduce into 1, and then the font size changes, or even enlarge it to the max. So the max here is until 14. So you see the whole page only have chapter 9, only few words. So basically, if you want to reduce like flipping a lot of page, and you can read small words, then you can change to smaller words. Even the font family also can be changed. So from here, you can choose all these are the few selections of the font family. Even the layout also can be changed. Right now we're in the portrait mode. You can change to orientations to a landscape mode. Then the whole devices will change to in this mode. Okay, so I prefer on this portrait mode. So even the margin also can be changed over here to be compact. Has some margins over the sides, or even more margins over the sides. Okay, spacing, you can drastically increase the spacing or back to the by default. Let's click on the more. So it will show the reading progress, show clock while readings. All these can be changed, but later it will show at the bottom of the screens. So all these one can be set on the bottom of the screen. So let's tap on the top here to return back to the page, and then you can tap on the bottom. Then it will appear page 7 and 2%. So I can tap bottom some more. Then we change the settings like time left in chapters 1 hour, or time left in the books 2 hours. LC 76 page. So is you can do all these settings and see what's your reading progress. So this is the few things that you can do while you're reading. Okay, if you like readings at night, you can go to the settings and change the brightness. Okay, that's it. So enjoy reading with Kindle.